So I'm a little late with my setup here for Super Bowl, but I have some sandwiches, some French bread with some beef, provolone cheese, and beef slices and chicken slices with some kale. I did bake this kale at 350 with I added some Parmesan cheese to it. I've done this before. I have avocado, as you know, avocado omega-3, good on sandwiches with tomatoes, pickles, mustard, and I did fix a spinach salad with eggs and ranch, as well as tomatoes in there, some crusted wheat bread. We have chips and salsa. I use paste often, made some avocado, and we actually have some popcorn with garlic powder. I don't know if you guys ever had that. As you know, garlic powder is good for blood pressure and keeping your blood thin. And I also have some sparkling water I mixed some strawberries with a little water and some Swerve together. And so I have that as far as our drink. So even though we don't have any company coming over, I like to use opportunities like this, the Super Bowl, Valentine's Day, holidays, to try to fix something for the family. It's exciting for me. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your Super Bowl Sunday. And I just did something. So anyway, all right, you guys, take care, enjoy.